In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the extension's toolbar menu in Google Chrome. If you want to control whether the extension's toolbar menu appears in Chrome, this is a quick setting you can adjust through Chrome flags. This area includes experimental features, so it's important to follow the steps carefully and only change the specific option you need. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can easily access the setting without interruptions. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Flags page. This is where Google places advanced and experimental browser options that are not always available in the standard settings menu. After the Chrome Flags page opens, look for the search bar at the top of the page. In that search field, type Extension Toolbar. This will help you quickly find the exact flag related to the extension's toolbar menu without having to scroll through a long list of experimental features. If the extension toolbar option appears in the search results, click the drop-down menu next to it. You should see options that allow you to change its status. If you want the extension's toolbar menu to be available in Chrome, choose Enable. If you prefer to turn that menu off, choose Disable instead. Be sure to select the option that matches the result you want, since this setting directly affects how the extension's area is displayed in the browser. Once you've made your selection, take a quick moment to confirm that you chose the correct setting. This is helpful because Chrome flags can affect browser behavior, and it's always a good idea to double-check before moving on. If the feature does not appear in your search results, it may not be available in your current version of Chrome, or Google may have changed how the feature is managed. That's all you need to do to enable or disable the extension's toolbar menu in Google Chrome. This is a useful adjustment if you want more control over how your extensions are shown and accessed in the browser interface. If you're following along, just move carefully through each part. Open Chrome Flags, search for Extension Toolbar, and then choose Enable or Disable if the option appears. With that done, you'll have adjusted the setting based on your preference and made Chrome work a little more the way you want.